Hello, everyone. Well, enjoy the dry weather for now because once the rain moves in, it's going to be sticking around for a while. The good news is no rain around for the morning commute today. Still completely dry across the area, but I don't think it's going to last long. I think the earliest some showers are going to start to move into the southern part of the region is about 10 a.m. this morning. And then by the time we jump ahead to 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we're talking about scattered showers just about anywhere in the region. And then get ready for me to say scattered showers a lot because that's going to be the story for the rest of the day today, tonight, and in tomorrow. Let's just track it going through time here. Here's homebound commute time, 5, 6 o'clock. Yeah, scattered showers. And I will mention that throughout the day today and tomorrow, there could occasionally be some isolated thunderstorms. It's mostly going to be showers, but I think occasionally a thunderstorm could work over the area. But I do think it's mostly just going to be plain rain, but a prolonged period of it. Notice we jump ahead into the evening hours and look at all the rain that's going to be around. And we jump ahead to tomorrow morning and we're still talking about scattered showers. So no worries for the morning commute today, but it'll be a slower go. It looks like this afternoon. It'll be a slower go tomorrow morning. And guess what? Probably tomorrow afternoon as well, because notice what happens when we're in the early afternoon. Still scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm out there. And in evening hours as well, yes, if you're going out for Friday evening, carry the umbrella with you because we're still dealing with scattered showers. Now, I will say, I'm stopping the model here at 7 o'clock because I think after 7 o'clock Friday, there's going to be less and less activity as we go through the night. But it's going to take a while to get all the rain out of here. We might not get the last of the stray showers out of here until the late morning Saturday. So, yeah, it's going to be wet today through tomorrow, but then finally drying out Saturday morning. So, how much rain are we talking about? I tell you what, because it's such a prolonged period where the rain's going to be over us, it's looking like most of us are going to see an inch to an inch and a half of rain. And I'm not ruling out a few spots. Again, if a thunderstorm works over you and then another one works over you, there could be a few spots in the region to see up to 2 inches of rain. The good news here, though, is because this is going to be happening over such a prolonged period of time, that's why the totals are going to be so high, but also because it's happening over such a long period of time, I'm not worried about flooding because not all this rain is going to happen in a short amount of time, so no flooding concerns, but it's going to be wet. All right, so let's talk about temperatures. As you can probably guess, with all the clouds and rain around, we're not talking about warm temperatures. Now, notice what's interesting today is the warmest temperatures are probably going to be in places like Crown Point, Valparaiso, and LaPorte for a couple of reasons. One, you're a little bit away from the lake because the lake's still holding temperatures down for places like Hammond and Michigan City. And also the rain is going to start earlier in the day in the southern part of the region. That's why Kentland and Rensselaer probably only top out in the upper 50s, while we might have a little narrow window in the central part of the region where we top out in the low 60s before temperatures likely drop some in the afternoon as that rain starts to pick up. Now, we're not going to cool down very much tonight with all the clouds around. Most of us probably only cooling down in the low 50s, maybe a couple spots into the upper 40s. That said, for tomorrow, because of all the clouds and rain, we're not going to be warming up much either. I think many of us are probably only going to reach the mid 50s, maybe some as warm as 60 degrees in the southern part of the region. And the other problem tomorrow, not much wind today, but tomorrow wind gusts are going to be around 25 miles per hour. So places that are in the low to mid 50s for highs, really going to feel like the upper 40s or low 50s.